I need today. Let's see if it's good. Beauty, she is Grace. We have a starter pack, pods, the frother. Okay, it's heavy. Oh, it's a lot tinier than I expected. So here we have the CitiZ and milk espresso machine. We have the capsule container, which holds the pods here. It goes in nicely. This is the drip grid. So we place that on top of this base. And if you come here, there are two machine settings. You can make your classic espresso shot here. And on the other side, we have full cup of coffee. And all of the capsules go in through this top lever. So this is the water tank. It holds about 1 liter of water and it goes simply at the back of the machine. So the Aerochino comes with this little spring form that goes right in there with the magnet, and there is a max line for your hot froth and your cold froth. Now, using this is very simple from what I understand. You click once for hot froth and you hold it for 2 seconds if you want cold froth, and the ring will turn blue. So we're gonna try this Nicaragua capsule today. It has a sweet and harmonious taste. Not too sure what that would be like, but this has an intensity of 5, which is pretty low. I'm a relatively new coffee drinker, so I'm gonna start a little bit light. I don't have a cappuccino cup, at least not yet, so we're gonna use this teacup, and we're gonna make a latte. But first, we're going to make our milk foam. I almost forgot. I don't really know the order, but I've heard it done both ways. We're gonna start by using 2% milk to make our milk froth and steamed milk. I'm gonna put the lid on. Make sure the bottom is dry. We're gonna click that button to start. Woo! Oh my gosh, guys, it's frothing. Look at it. Look at it. I'm so excited for this coffee machine. I've hit a peak adulthood at this point. Just like when you get so excited about appliances. She's 22. So old. To now make our cup of coffee. I'm gonna put my glass here. I'm just gonna do 1 espresso shot. So I'm gonna drop my pot in there. I'm gonna put this down and it's gonna basically crush some holes in there. And then I'm gonna make 1 espresso shot. Okay. Wow, that's so much. Guys, that's 88 cents right there. Cheers. Sick. We're gonna do another shot because I want more value, but also I think it can extract more, to be honest. Maybe I should just click the bigger option next time. So I think we're good. Looks beautiful. So what we're gonna do now is once it finishes dripping, I'm gonna take it off. And I'm going to put some milk foam onto it. That's definitely real foamy. Oh my gosh, I think I made too much. How do I pour it? Okay, so that's the steamed milk. Alright, we definitely know that this glass is not big enough. So we're going to just spoon the froth. Like that. I think this is a latte? Cappuccino? Alright, so this is the drink, guys. It's looking hot, literally. Get it? Because it's a hot drink. Alright, this is my first latte. Seems too hot. delicious. I usually go for like a regular, but I don't even think I need sugar for this.